Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice latest version on RHEL 10.2. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with RHEL, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, it is LibreOffice.org. Then click on download. Then download this RPM for the RHEL, Rocky or Alma Linux type operating systems. See, we are downloading the version number 26.2 and its size is about 240 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will unzip the zip file and we will install RPM packages. This will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. Now untap the star file. Unzip this zip file tar-except, then libre, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Enter ls. Now go to this LibreOffice folder. ls. Now go to this RPMs folder. ls. Now we have to install these RPM packages. Sudo Ctrl L sudo RPM -ibh -modesh, then star.rpm. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See, here we have the LibreOffice suite. Base means it is like, see, calc means it is like MS Office Excel. Writer means it is like MS Office Word. Okay, so we have successfully installed. Go on more direct. Remove this extracted folder and zip file rm-rf libre. Press the tab. Remove this one also. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice latest version 26.2.5 on RHEL 10.2. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.